Hello everyone and welcome back to my Lightway YouTube channel. Today, I'll be sharing some valuable insights that we know you'll enjoy. Sit back, grab your favorite drink and let us get started. Today's video talks about mindfulness and meditation, a beginner's guide on Lily's life. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Let us go to the video soon. In a bustling city filled with noise and chaos, there lived a young woman named Lily. She was constantly juggling the demands of work, relationships, and the ever-growing to-do list that consumed her mind. The fast-paced world around her left her feeling overwhelmed, disconnected, and in search of something more meaningful. That's when Lily stumbled upon the transformative practice of mindfulness and meditation. Curiosity sparked within Lily as she read about the benefits of these ancient practices. She learned that mindfulness was about being fully present in the moment, cultivating awareness of one's thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. Meditation, on the other hand, involved sitting in stillness, quieting the mind, and allowing thoughts to come and go without attachment. Eager to embark on this new journey, Lily set aside time each day for her mindfulness and meditation practice. She found a quiet corner in her apartment, adorned it with soft pillows and soothing candles, and closed her eyes, ready to explore the depths of her own consciousness. In the beginning, Lily discovered that her mind was like a wild horse, constantly racing from one thought to another. It seemed impossible to find stillness amidst the chaos of her thoughts. But she persisted, knowing that transformation took time and patience. With each passing day, Lily's practice deepened. She learned to observe her thoughts without getting entangled in them, allowing them to pass by like clouds drifting across the sky. She discovered the power of the breath, using it as an anchor to bring her back to the present moment whenever her mind wandered. As Lily became more mindful, she noticed a shift within herself. She became less reactive and more responsive to the challenges that life threw her way. She discovered that by pausing, taking a breath, and observing her emotions, she could choose her actions consciously, rather than being driven by automatic patterns. The practice of mindfulness also brought a newfound appreciation for the beauty of everyday life. Lily started to notice the small miracles that had previously gone unnoticed: the vibrant colors of a blooming flower, the warmth of the sun on her skin, and the joy in connecting with loved ones. Lily's journey into mindfulness and meditation was not without its obstacles. There were days when her mind wandered incessantly or when she felt restless and impatient. But she reminded herself that this practice was a lifelong journey, and each moment offered an opportunity to begin anew. As Lily continued on her path, she realized that mindfulness and meditation were not just practices confined to her meditation cushion. They permeated every aspect of her life, infusing it with a sense of calm, clarity, and compassion. She became more attuned to the needs of her body, nourishing it with healthy food, exercise, and rest. She cultivated deeper connections with others, truly listening and being present in their presence. And most importantly, she learned to be kind to herself, embracing imperfections and treating herself with love and acceptance. Word of Lily's transformation spread among her friends and colleagues. They noticed the positive changes in her demeanor, her ability to handle stress with grace, and her contagious sense of inner peace. Intrigued, they too began to explore mindfulness and meditation, starting their own journeys towards self-discovery and personal growth. Lily's story is a testament to the power of mindfulness and meditation. It is a reminder that even amidst the chaos of the modern world, we can find stillness within ourselves. By cultivating mindfulness and embracing the practice of meditation, we can awaken to the beauty of the present moment, nourish our souls, and create a life filled with peace, clarity, and compassion. So, if you find yourself yearning for a deeper connection to yourself and the world around you, remember Lily's story. Take a moment each day to sit in stillness, observe your thoughts, and become fully present. Allow the practice of mindfulness and meditation to guide you on a journey of self-discovery, awakening, and transformation. With each breath, You have the power to unlock the boundless potential that lies. Thank you for watching our video and making it all the way to the end. We hope you enjoyed today's insights and learned something new. If you like to contact me, Facebook and Instagram link in Chanel description. We also want to hear what you think, so leave us a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.